Hello everyone, welcome back to GT Racers. Finally I'm doing another video. Since I mentioned it in my last video, I just got married 2 weeks ago and well, I have had a bit of vacation, you know. I thought that I could make videos even though I was newly married, but my new wife said no, of course not. Well, today I'm going to do my first video in, I don't know, 2 weeks, I think it is. And the idea was to install the Novitec GP1 under my foot pedal, on my foot pedal. But it seems, as I say in all my videos, it's never easy. I have the Novitec mounting guidelines. Yeah, you can see it here. The problem is this skis here of how easy it is. You see, you just take the foot pedal and connect it and la 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 la, very simple. Maybe it looked like this on like the 147 model, because it doesn't look like this on the GT as usual. It's much more complex underneath there. It's not as easy. And I realize I can't fit in here because I'm a big man and it's very little room. So I need to remove the whole front seat. I have no idea how to do that. But this will be a short video about me removing the front seat, and then I will do, hopefully, the video of me actually changing the Novitec GP1. So, come on now and let's see if I can remove this. I was about to say bloody seat, but it's not a bloody seat, it's a leather seat. Beautiful. As usual, I thought that this would be a very easy thing to take out the seat, but I can't find anything like a latch or something that I could easily push and lift the chair out of the rails. But no, I can't find any way to do this. Am I too stupid? Yes, of course I'm stupid, but okay, so the other way I have to do it is like pull out the four, I can see the 4 screws that hold the rails. So I take away the chair and the rails that is moves in. Okay, let's try and see what happens. Finally, I got the first one out, but this is ridiculous. As usual, I don't have the right tools. I'm using this one and have it like that, and then I'm screwing it. It's so primitive. Why can't I find the right tools? But the first one is out. Let's try that one and see if what happens. If maybe we can tilt the seat a little bit and see more clearly. If we in some way can release it without having to take away all the rails. Now, as you can see, the front two is off, and yes, I realize this is the only way. Now I'll try to crawl in here and remove the last two. As you can see, one of the rails is a little bit longer. This has the same place as the other two in the front, but this one is actually on the side. Let's a little bit longer. I don't know why, but never mind. It's probably something with the locking, I think, because here you have, when you roll this back and forth, it locks here. I saw a little plastic thing. No, never mind that. Let's continue. And now the whole thing is loose, actually, as you can see. So let's see what we can do and what happens if we make it. Yes, now it's loose from the rails. Sorry, I'm in the way from the camera. But now we have one. I don't know if you can see it. You can see this is the electricity that comes in. That is electricity for the, you know, the heating, the electricity for the airbag in the side of the seat. And quite frankly, I would be happy if I didn't have to connect it, because I read online on gtowner.com that it can be a little bit tricky when you cut the electricity to the airbag and then try to connect it again, because there can be a problem. And that makes me a little bit nervous now. Can I remove the seat inside the car and get more room? As you can see, I actually managed to get the seat without killing the cord, because I had you see these small clips here that was connected to that small hole, so I managed to take that out. So the cord has like a circle here, so as I could put it out, I could use the whole extension. And I had a blanket on the seat, and now the whole front seat is actually in the back seat. You can see how it looks underneath. I still can't see any fast way of removing this without actually removing all the rails. And this is a plastic thing, I said, that locks back here on the sheet metal here. And I guess that is what opens when you pull the lever. This releases back then and you can move the chair. Well, now, a little bit dirty, I can vacuum. Now I think I have room to start changing the Novitec GP1. But thank you for watching on this video, a very short video on how to remove the front seat with as little problem as possible. Please watch my next video when I put in the Novitec GP1 throttle. I don't know what you call that. So to make the throttle go faster. So goodbye and see you next video.